Hello, my name is Andrew H. Griffin III. I am a California bankruptcy attorney with over 35 years of experience. Everyone knows that you can't discharge income taxes in bankruptcy, right? No, not right at all. This misconception about bankruptcy law illustrates just what you shouldn't substitute gossip for advice of a good lawyer, especially when the question involves discharging income taxes in a consumer bankruptcy case. Generally, income taxes are dischargeable in a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy case when the tax is 4 years old or more. It is not accomplished through special legal wizardry. In fact, it's routine, and it happens automatically in most cases where legal tests are met. How is this possible? Because of Bankruptcy Code Section 523A1, which lays out the test for determining whether your income taxes can be discharged. First, you must look at the tax must be owed for a year where 3 years have passed since the tax return was due. Most of the time, the return was due on April 15th. Second, the return must have been filed more than 2 years ago. Obviously, this rule applies only to late filers. Third, the tax must not have been assessed within the last 240 days. This rule applies where the return didn't accurately show all the tax that was owed. The IRS just finished assessing additional taxes after discovering your mistake. Fourth, if you willfully attempted to evade or defeat payment, it can't be discharged. Courts have ruled that simple non-payment without anything more is not enough to show that you tried to evade or defeat payment of that tax. Sections 523 and 507 of the Bankruptcy Code do impose some additional requirements, but what has been written above is enough for most people to know. If you filed your tax return on time, and if the return was accurate, and if it's been more than 3 years since the return was due at the latest, usually April 15th of the given year, then your taxes are going to be discharged if you file for bankruptcy, unless a specific exception in the law applies to you. It's that simple. If you owe income tax that you can't pay, here's what you now know you should do. First, try to avoid listening to legal advice about bankruptcy from well-meaning friends at cocktail parties. And second, get yourself to a bankruptcy lawyer to find out for sure if your income taxes are dischargeable in bankruptcy. This is Andrew H. Griffin III at andrewgriffinlawoffice.com. Today, we're helping you understand the bankruptcy process. If you want to learn more about the bankruptcy process, go to andrewgriffinlawoffice.com to get a free copy of my book, which you could buy for $16.95. I want to give everybody an opportunity to get that book for an immediate free PDF download. Or click here.